trial begins for an Orange County judge charged with murdering his wife. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Juan Fernandez.
And I'm Amy Johnson. An argument that allegedly spiraled into murder. The trial now underway for an Orange County judge accused of shooting his own wife in a fit of anger. Judge Jeffrey Ferguson claims it was an accident. KCAL's Michele Gile in Santa Ana now with the dramatic first day in court.
Cheryl Ferguson's last words were, "He shot me." It's the last thing she ever said.
Orange County Superior Court Judge Jeffrey Ferguson, accused of killing his wife in their Anaheim Hills home in 2023 after drinking, wiped away tears during opening statements in his murder trial. Prosecutor Seton Hunt told jurors it was important they hear from the defendant in his own words. He played a video clip of Ferguson at the police station in handcuffs.
Kelly, I seen you, Jerry. Convict my I did it.
The audio on the clip says, "I killed her. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, convict my," and we've bleeped the next word, "I did it." The DA says the shooting happened in front of the couple's son after a heated argument that began with Ferguson pointing his finger at his wife, pretending he was holding a gun, and her saying, "Why don't you point a real gun at me?" The defendant, according to the prosecutor, was rarely without his Glock handgun, that he had a license to carry. Ferguson signed an agreement, officials say, not to consume alcohol while in possession of the gun.
He was a prosecutor for over 30 years and also a judge, in a unique position to understand the dangers of gun violence.
Jurors heard portions of a disturbing 911 call where the couple's son described the alleged shooting and could be heard trying to save his mother's life.
Is she conscious, awake?
Mom, can you hear me? Mom, can you hear me? Shake your head if you can hear me.
The DA says Ferguson also called 911 for help, but first sent a text to his court clerk and his bailiff.
So right after the murder, his first thought is to text coworkers. And his statement is, "I just lost it. I just shot my wife. I won't be in tomorrow. I will be in custody. I'm so sorry."
It was an accidental discharge, according to Ferguson's lawyer, Cameron Talley. Ferguson has pleaded not guilty. The defense didn't put on an opening statement. Talley told me during a court recess there's no question that Mr. Ferguson shot his wife. The question is, did he mean to or not? In fact, what he said, according to the attorney, was, "I didn't mean to kill her." The DA left out that part in their opening statement. To avoid a conflict of interest, a Los Angeles County judge is presiding over the trial. Jeffrey Ferguson is free on $2 million bail. If convicted, he's facing 50 years to life behind bars. In Santa Ana, Michele Gile, KCAL News.